Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to fix the error A05 or sometimes show 304 on RISO 304. So then what you do, you're gonna come and take out this then you empty it. After emptying that, we discovered that there was something like, I don't know what happened. The machine started rolling the masters on this, you get me? So we have to clean up this nicely. Have to take it out a bit by bit so that we don't even damage nothing. Sometimes it could damage some stuff. You can see it rolled up on this roller. I don't know why, but it did, and it rolled many masters here. It's not one, it's not two. So but you just have to be extra careful so that you don't make any damage the machine. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out. Okay, I'm taking out this. Okay. I'm taking out this on this roller. Okay, taking out this. Gonna clean it to be clean. There shouldn't be no paper like this. Master is here. Okay, so you can see it wrapped itself here. You have to make sure everything's out. Okay, here we're getting some success. Okay. Okay, yo, it's too much. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we can. Okay. There is another one here. Can you see it? This side.
You want me to find a cloth?
I think so. We can find a cloth which has some little liquid. Then we're gonna clean here. So I don't know, but this was not something good. You can see it's a lot of master here. A lot of master came here, so the machine could sense that there's something wrong here. So I wonder why it happened like that. So it's gonna get cloth, we clean it, but you can see we did this. I've never seen this before. It was my first time to see this, so I really wonder why I did that. So I need to find a way to roll to take out this small. There's a small something here. So you have to on the machine. I have to on the machine first. Gonna make it dirty, but there's no problem. Okay. This is not a machine which gives trouble. Wow. What happened now? There's no electricity, is gone. There's nothing we can do much, but that's what you're gonna do to clean up your machine if it shows you that error. So that's super good. So I'm gonna leave it cleaned nicely. I'm gonna make sure it get cleaned even here, because these rollers, they don't have to have any dirt, you get me? So now everything wrapped up here. Yeah, no, that's good. There's some liquid. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this here. It's dirty here, very dirty. So we're gonna find a way to roll. Power is gone. Are you gonna switch on electricity? Power is gone.
It's gone?
Yeah, it's gone. I don't know if you're gonna switch on the generator. It's gone because there's no power here. I don't know. I don't see any power. Try to see if there is power.
There's power.
Switch on. Oh, there's power. That's good. I thought. Okay. So we have to clean these rollers nicely, all of them. but there's some small please take out, open and take out this drum. There's a small paper we have to take out.
This one?
Yeah. Press. It doesn't switch on.
No.
But the machine is on. Okay, press that. Does it come out? Okay. 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 Let's put the tray inside, back. Close, you can close. Let me put the tray inside and try to. Okay. We can switch. We can try to press. Yes, now it comes out. It wanted us to put the tray out. So what we're gonna do, lift this drum, please.
Which one?
Yeah, just lift it up. It comes out.
This one?
Yeah, no, the entire stuff. Yeah, it comes out. Come put it down. No, put it with two hands, then put it here. Okay, guys, you can sometimes see on the drum if there's something wrong, then you can try to clean it. But then we have an issue. Sorry. We have an issue here. I'm gonna show you inside. The issue is with that master there, the roller. So I'm gonna take out I should take out this. So there's a small master which, okay, I'm trying to roll. Yes, I'm rolling this. Yes, I rolled and took it out, of which is good. So I'm gonna clean those. Then we can on the machine and see. You're gonna see some progress. Okay.
So if it does 5 feet, that's clean.
Sometimes. But those are places where you have to check if you get issues like that. To get used to the machine, you're gonna be fine. Okay, guys, we're now gonna try to test But I see you cleaned the machine so nice here. You cleaned it so well. So most cases when you have cases like this is the dust and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Well guys, we're gonna test now the machine. You can put in the drum back the way it is. Just to sit in. It has to sit in like that inside. It has to sit inside. So yeah. Once it starts in, then you just roll it in. Good. Then you have to put
Only that one.
yeah? Yeah. Okay. Now you can see it shows 3, which means it's the master issue. You can see that problem is not showing anymore.
Yeah.
So it switch off the master on the master. So that simply means we have to create a master first. We see if it doesn't have any issue, or we can open if it didn't finish. You never find it. You can find that maybe it's finished. Sometimes it doesn't give us an issue. Okay, let's try to do this. We're gonna try to press here. If it doesn't give us any chance, guys, you can see we cleared that error. It was that master which got messed up. So but now we're gonna get into another issue which is beyond the scope of this video, but then you've seen how to clear that error. So thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. So this I did it for that, to show you that. So we did clean everything, so then the error is gone. So we're gonna see if we have a master or we don't have. So do what I've done, then you're gonna be able to fix your machine.